Welcome back to another Tekdep repair video. In today's edition, we'll be working on the Samsung S20 Ultra. This video will show the steps needed to be taken in order to change the front and back. So for this repair, like usually the screen that needs to be replaced comes with the frame, and also there is one that only comes with the LCD. The steps that we will take here will show a replacement that comes with the frame and the back glass. So we will see how to transfer all the components into the new LCD. And the parts we're going to be using here is a heat gun, plastic cards to like remove the glass screen on the back, a Phillips screw, and a pry tool because the back is already cracked. Always help to like lift the back glass easily. And the back glass replacement actually comes with the lens included, so it will not portray how to replace the lens by themselves, but to replace the entire back glass. First, we're gonna apply isopropyl alcohol on the edge of the frame, which will help alleviate the adhesive beneath it. Then we're gonna heat it up. Try to set like anywhere Then we're gonna use the heat gun to make sure the adhesive like becomes loose. Using a pry tool, we're gonna start taking off the back glass. So there is like a small part on the lens that needs to be transferred. Then we're gonna proceed by removing the Phillips screws holding on the front proximity sensor, top speaker, NFC wireless pad, as well as the loudspeaker. After removing the NFC wireless pad, we're going to proceed by removing the metal bracket holding the board. Then disconnect the antenna module, the main board flex cable, and the LCD flex cable. Proceed by removing the loudspeaker. Sometimes it may have some resistance, so don't be too afraid to like go a little bit deeper to extract it. Then there is also some Phillips screws holding the charging port. The charging port for this particular model is actually a charging port that comes with the board, or in other terms, that is the sub PBA linked to the main PBA. After which we're gonna like start by disconnecting all the connections from the motherboard. There are also some tiny connections which are the antenna module that comes on the top part and the lower part of the phone. Then work your way in by removing the logic board, which comes connected with the rear back camera system. After which all it is left to remove is the battery. So one thing to keep in mind is that certain parts, such as the service OEM pack, do come with the battery. Others, they don't come with the battery, so we need to transfer the battery into the new housing. And by the way, if you're looking for any parts or tools, check us out in the description. We do also offer mailing, repair, and data recovery service. To remove the battery, it is best to like heat up the screen from the front, and also later on apply a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. For this, it's best to use heat along with isopropyl alcohol and a pry tool with the curved tip. Then the next step would be to reassemble all the components into the new frame that comes with the LCD. I'm going to start by putting the ringer buzzer, the battery, as well as the top speaker. Replace the antenna module as well as the motherboard. And by the way, the antenna module is only applicable for the US version. As for the European version, the Samsung, they do not come with these parts. After reassembling all the components inside, start by putting the Phillips screws onto the charging board. We're gonna put back the antenna cover with the metal bracket covering the logic board. Reapply all the screws. Then lastly, we're gonna apply the NFC wireless pad, reconnect it. Insert in the SIM tray. Do not forget to transfer the little piece into the back glass. After making sure it sits perfectly on the frame, we're gonna turn on. And voila! Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And with the help of the community, we'll make sure to assist you. If you saw any parts or tools you need in the video, check us out at tekdep.com or click in the link below for mailing repairs. Thank you for watching.